In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your phone to never turn off in iPhone. So let's go ahead and open up your settings app, and once you're inside, just scroll down a bit until you see the option that says battery, then go ahead and tap on that. Now that you're in the battery settings, the first thing you want to check is the low power mode. Make sure that this is turned off. If it's enabled, just tap on the toggle to switch it off. This part is important because low power mode can limit certain settings on your phone, including how long your screen stays on. Once that's done, just go ahead and tap back to return to the main settings menu. From here, scroll down again until you find display and brightness and tap on it to open. Now as you scroll down a bit more, you'll see the option for auto lock. Go ahead and tap on that, and this is where you control how long your screen stays on before it turns off automatically. Once you're inside auto lock, just look through the list of options and choose never. As soon as you tap on that, your iPhone will be set so that the screen won't turn off on its own anymore. At this point, your phone is now set to stay on continuously unless you manually lock it yourself. You can just exit out of the settings and the change will already be applied. Now when you're using your phone, you'll notice that the screen stays on the whole time without dimming or turning off, which can be really useful if you're reading something, following instructions, or just don't want your screen to keep locking. If you ever want to change it back later, you can follow the same path and choose a different auto lock time instead of never, depending on what works best for you. And that's pretty much it. It's a quick setting to adjust, and once it's set to never, your iPhone will stay awake as long as you need it to. One thing you might notice right away is that your battery can drain a bit faster when your screen stays on all the time. That's totally normal, so just keep that in mind depending on how long you plan to use your phone without locking it. If you're only doing this for a specific task, you can always switch it back afterward to a shorter auto lock time. That way you still get the benefit when you need it, but you're not using extra battery all the time. And from here you're all set. Your iPhone will now stay on continuously until you decide to lock it yourself, giving you full control over when your screen turns off.